Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 210, Emily's Secret. Emily lived in a small village nestled among rolling hills. She was a quiet girl, always wearing her faded blue dress and a ribbon in her hair. Every morning she walked to the village library, where Mr. Johnson greeted her with a warm smile. "Good morning, Emily," he'd say. "The usual?" Emily nodded. She loved the smell of old books and the sound of the bell above the library door. But there was something else that intrigued her. The old wooden door at the back of the library. It was always locked and Mr. Johnson never went near it. One rainy afternoon, curiosity got the better of Emily. She waited until Mr. Johnson was busy with a customer, then slipped through the library and tiptoed toward the mysterious door. She pulled out the rusty key she'd found hidden in a dusty corner. The door creaked open, revealing a narrow staircase leading down. Emily hesitated but took a deep breath and descended. The air grew colder and the flickering candlelight revealed stone walls covered in ivy. At the bottom of the stairs, she found herself in a dimly lit room. And there, sitting on an old wooden chair, was a girl with fiery red hair. She looked up, startled. "Who are you?" Emily asked. The girl smiled. "I'm Lily, Mr. Johnson's daughter." Emily's heart raced. She'd never heard of Mr. Johnson having a daughter. Lily explained that she'd been hidden away because of a family feud. Her mother had been a librarian and her father, a rival book collector, had stolen her heart. They'd eloped, but their families never forgave them. Lily's eyes sparkled as she spoke. "My mother taught me the secret recipe for the village's famous cinnamon rolls, but I've been forbidden from baking them." "Why?" Emily asked. "Because they're magical," Lily whispered. "They bring people together, heal broken hearts, and make dreams come true." Emily couldn't believe it. She always loved those cinnamon rolls, the way they melted in her mouth, leaving a hint of warmth and sweetness. She wanted to taste them again and to share them with the villagers. Lily handed Emily a worn recipe card. "Promise me you'll bake them," she said, "and share them with everyone." Emily agreed. She returned to the library, her heart pounding. Mr. Johnson raised an eyebrow when she asked for the secret ingredients, but he relented. Emily mixed flour, sugar, and a pinch of magic. As the cinnamon rolls baked, the library filled with a sweet aroma. The villagers gathered, drawn by the scent. Emily served the warm rolls and magic unfolded. Lovers reconciled, old friends laughed, and dreams were whispered. The village came alive, connected by the simple pleasure of cinnamon rolls. Word spread, and soon people from neighbouring villages visited. Emily became known as the Cinnamon Roll Fairy. She'd smile and say, "It's not me, it's the magic." And every Wednesday, Lily would visit the library. She'd sit by the window, watching the villagers enjoy her mother's recipe. Emily would wink at her, and Lily would disappear into the shadows, her red hair blending with the ivy. The library thrived, and Emily's blue dress turned into a vibrant shade of happiness. She'd listen to the laughter, knowing that love and magic were woven into each bite. And so the village learned that sometimes secrets were meant to be shared, especially when they tasted like warm cinnamon rolls on a chilly morning. Vocabulary notes. Nestled, verb, to be comfortably and securely situated within something else. In the story, Emily's village was nestled among rolling hills, meaning it was cosily positioned in the landscape. Intrigued, adjective, curious or fascinated by something. Emily was intrigued by the mysterious locked door in the bakery. Feud, noun, a prolonged and bitter conflict or disagreement between families, groups, or individuals. Lily's family had a feud with another family due to their forbidden love. Elope, verb, to run away secretly with a romantic partner to get married, often without the approval of family or society. Lily's parents eloped because their families disapproved of their relationship. Sparkled, verb, to shine or twinkle with light. Lily's eyes sparkled when she talked about the magical cinnamon rolls. Relented, verb, to give in or yield to someone's request or pressure. Mr. Johnson initially hesitated but eventually relented and shared the secret ingredients. Aroma, noun, a pleasant or distinctive smell. The bakery filled with the sweet aroma of freshly baked cinnamon rolls. Whispered, verb, to speak very softly or quietly. Dreams were whispered among the villagers as they enjoyed the magical cinnamon rolls. Thrived, verb, to grow, prosper or flourish. The library thrived after Emily started baking the cinnamon rolls. Woven, verb, to combine or blend different elements to create something cohesive. Love and magic were woven into each bite of the cinnamon rolls. Story written by Copilot AI. Images created by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.